weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. A high wind warning is in effect from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday. Winds will be west winds at 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour expected for Banner County, Box Butte County, Cheyenne County, Dawes County, Kimball County, Morrill County, Northern Sioux County, Scottsbluff County, and Southern Sioux County from 9 a.m. Thursday morning to 9 p.m. Thursday night. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger can lead to property damage. Also, a red flag warning is in effect from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday for gusty winds and low RH for fire weather zones 434, 435, 436, and 437. The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a red flag warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday. The affected areas are fire weather zones 434 through 437. Winds will be west winds at 30 to 50 miles per hour, with gusts up 75 miles per hour. Humidity is expected to be between 17 and 22%. The highest threat is located along the I-80 corridor. Impacts are any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. A high wind warning begins at 9 a.m. tomorrow Thursday morning and will continue until 9 p.m. tomorrow Thursday night. A red flag warning begins at 11 a.m. tomorrow Thursday morning and will continue until 9 p.m. tomorrow Thursday night. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
Caitlin Clark from the logo!
You know, life would be easier if I could do everything from the logo.
Allow me to assist.
Pickles. It worked! Buckets. Now that's a tomato. Sheboygan.
The answer is Sheboygan.
They match. P-E-Z-O-L. Bottom row?
From the logo.
State Farm with the assist.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.